GSM Jammer. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the never-ending stream of notifications, messages, phone calls, and emails? It's time to unplug and disconnect from all of the digital noise. A mobile phone jammer can be your secret weapon in regaining your peace and quiet. The portable cell phone jammer is an excellent way to reduce digital noise and take a break from constant notifications and calls. It can help you focus better on your work and reduce stress. Tech's MAGNUS Functional Web Shooter. So, guys, ever since we saw Spider-Man do web slinging, our heart's desire has been to have superpowers like Spider-Man. I can't turn you into a superhero, but I have a fantastic gadget for all of you. World's first functional thread shooter watch. MAGNUS is the watch you need. This watch is brand new and will amaze you with its features. Tech MAGNUS Web Shooter Watch is not just about shooting threads, it has a lot more for you. The aircraft-grade aluminum body provides maximum protection from scratches and dents. And the neodymium rare earth magnets ensure a steady bounce of your favorite threads too. When you need it most, the replaceable spider wire thread gives you an unlimited shot. You can order it with either an 18mm NATO-style watch nylon strap or a leather strap. And the high-quality craftsmanship distinguishes this product. Get yours today and show off your spider senses. Wanwu's Nuclear Tank Fidget Spinner. Ever since fidget spinners have come into the market, their craze has remained. But now Wanwu is a brand that has developed a new invention that takes the fidget spinner to a whole new level. We were sick of cheap ones with flimsy bearings and sluggish spin. So, they created the fidget spinner, which is made of the finest metals available. It's a stunning and long-lasting piece made of stainless steel, brass, and titanium alloys, giving you a variety of options. Heat sink technology keeps it cool to hold during rotation. And when the balls collide internally, it makes a crisp ringing sound for added fun. This item is of high quality. The machining is excellent, and the spinning is extremely smooth. Yes, it is pricey, but the level of craftsmanship required to keep the tolerances on a piece like this so precise takes a lot of time and experience. A spinning toy is an excellent way to spend time, relieve stress, and keep yourself entertained. But did you know that a fidget spinner can also help with anxiety, ADHD, and other mental health issues? Check out Wanwu's wide collection of fidget spinners. Killderbody's Iron Man Wearable Arm. Tell me, do you like Iron Man as well? Iron Man has become everyone's favorite superhero despite his death in Avengers Endgame. Every Marvel fan wishes to see Iron Man in the upcoming films. Everyone must be wishing they had the Iron Man suit. And to make everyone's dreams come true, I discovered this Killderbody Iron Man MK7. Killderbody has you covered with this arm set that allows you to play the ultimate Avenger in style. It has palm lights that react to movement and infrared lasers with sound effects that give him a feeling of being invincible. Every Marvel fan wants this wearable full-body armor Iron Man suit, and with it, you'll be able to amaze everyone at the next Comic-Con or cosplay party. Its improved wearing experience makes it easier and more comfortable, and its lightweight design makes it easy to carry. Last but not least, this arm includes a full set of metallic paint textures, giving your character the appearance of having just stepped out of a movie. With Killderbody's Iron Man wearable arm, you'll always be ready for action. Dstike's Deauther Watch. If you've played the Watchdog game, you'll be pleased to see hacking, in which the main character of the game hacks the electronics of the entire city using only his watch and his smartphone. I discovered such a smartwatch that not only works like a regular smartwatch but also allows you to do a lot with it. Dstike's Deauther Watch V3 is no exception. It outperforms the competition because it includes an 800 mAh battery that lasts 7 to 8 hours. Everything will be simpler with Deauther. The smartwatch is equipped with ESP8266 and included the most recent Deauther software, which allows you to easily perform various attacks on Wi-Fi networks. Furthermore, this software simplifies things for you. The user-friendly interface makes it easy to operate. If you want to try out some new hacking tricks, this is the watch for you. NReal Air AR Glasses. The new way to watch movies is through augmented reality. When you pair the NReal Air AR Glasses with your smartphone, you get an entirely new experience that was never before possible. Because it is compatible with PC, Android, iOS, you can even watch live sports via the stream. NReal Air is the best virtual reality glasses for watching movies and playing games, all thanks to their impressive 201 micro OLED virtual theater, which mimics reality so well that you won't even notice it's there. With its fingerprint-resistant coating and anti-reflective coating, you won't miss any action while watching your favorite movie. Furthermore, they include noise cancellation and echo cancellation technology, allowing you to watch movies or play games without being disturbed by other people talking next to you or loud music nearby. It also includes 2 open-ear speakers with a dual microphone array for crisp sound. This is a must-have holiday gift. The Mag Card Holder. We have so many cards, debit and credit, that we don't know which ones to use. But the problem is that we keep them scattered around the house, and when they are needed, they are nowhere to be found. That's how I came across this device. VMag is here to help with that. VMag is a card holder system that allows you to easily access all of your cards from a single location. It has a kickstand so you can watch movies on your phone without it falling over. This useful accessory, made of either aluminum or titanium, will be durable enough for daily use. Order yours today and start reaping the benefits of owning a high-quality item. Air Zero. Working from anywhere requires staying connected, and the Air Zero folding Bluetooth computer mouse makes it simple to do so. Air Zero believes in never settling for less than the best. This mini marvel crams a lot of functionality into a small package that fits easily into your bag or pocket. This mouse will go with any style or mood thanks to its 12 different color options and custom printed logo. Furthermore, because of its origami design, it folds up neatly when not in use, allowing you to take it anywhere. Air Zero is an incredible new invention that provides all the benefits of a computer mouse while remaining portable. In addition to its many advantages, Air Zero comes with a 2-year warranty, ensuring that your investment will last for years without any problems or malfunctions. Snore Circle. I had no idea the next gadget existed on the market. This device is the best way to deal with the situation when we go out with our friends and there is bound to be someone who keeps the entire group awake by snoring loudly. Thankfully, Snore Circle is here to help. This smart device uses an app to sync with your smartphone and tracks your sleeping habits. The lightweight design of this device allows it to be worn comfortably throughout the night without interfering with sleep. Snore Circle delivers physical intervention at 30 different levels using the innovative EMA Plus 10's physical intervention technology. Purchase one today and see how much better your sleep can be. Tosy, Smart Golf Disc and Ultimate Disc and Boomerang. Everyone remembers playing with boomerangs as a child. As we can see in the videos, people used to throw boomerangs, and they only returned to them, but when we used to throw them, they never returned. But don't worry, here is the solution. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a novice, the Tosy Smart Golf Disc is the ideal companion for having fun and honing your skills. It has 240 super bright LEDs, and if you throw it up in the sky, people will definitely think it's a UFO. The 9-axis motion tracking system provides a clear picture of your shot as well as real-time updates on where the disc is in space. It has a gyroscope sensor to keep it stable in the air. This amazing disc has been able to enhance your game experience by providing you with an insight into its data collection, simulation, and analysis by utilizing advanced technologies. The list of benefits continues. Don't miss out on this experience the next time you go out to play a round of golf or throw some boomerangs around. It will only get better with each passing day. Last but not least, its ability to float ensures that it will not sink into the water. PikaBoost. Do you want to make your daily commute a little more environmentally friendly? Then Livall PikaBoost is the product for you. This e-bike conversion kit transforms your regular bicycle into an environmentally friendly and convenient mode of transportation. By installing the PikaBoost kit, you will be able to enjoy the joys of cycling without having to worry about damaging the environment or putting extra strain on your body. With a battery that provides up to 3 times the power of a standard battery, this kit will provide you with endless amounts of energy as you pedal through your daily commute. You can ride it however you want with 3 modes: cruise, eco, and exercise. Furthermore, with a wireless Bluetooth lock built right into the system, you can rest assured that no one will be able to steal your bike. Furthermore, thanks to its tool-free installation, our installation process could not be simpler. So, whether you're looking for a simple way to reduce your carbon footprint or a fun way to get in shape, PikaBoost is exactly what you need in your life. With all these cool gadgets, this video comes to the end. I hope you enjoy the video and don't forget to check out the channel. We'll be right back with a brand new video featuring some cool and awesome stuff just like that.